Hello, Greg. Dan Sullivan with Sullivan Auctioneers. We're in Northeast Missouri today for the Glen Welch Estate Auction. Going to feature a little different color tractor today, including this 2000 model 8770 tractor. That tractor only has 2,971 hours. We will send the results of the video clip of the auction. Thanks for watching. Ladies and gentlemen, the auction's on one of the nicer 8770s. You're going to get an opportunity to buy, folks, anywhere around. Beautiful tractor, one owner, right off of the estate here on the 8770. Yes, Matt Sullivan.
Piddly, the third link was not on the tractor in the pictures on the internet.
Okay.
But he had it, it's with it now.
You bet you. I'm going to here, I'm going to what am I going to do? 45, 47, 5, now 50,000, now 52, 5. I'm going to 50 down, down to the 52, 5, I'm going to 52, 5, I'm going to 50 down, down to the 52, 5. Now 55,000, I'm going to 52. Let's go, guys. 55,000. I'm going to 52, 5, I'm going to 55, 5,000. I'm going to 52, 5, I'm going to 55 down, down to the 5, 5, 5. 52, 5, I'm going to 55 down, down. Let's go. Hands in the air. 55,000. 52, 5, I'm going to 5, 5 down, down. Find another one that nice. That low of ours. 52, 5, 55,000. 52, 5, 55,000. Now 7, 5 with the new bidder. 57, 5, 57, 5, 57, 5. I'm going to 57, 5, 55 down, 7, 5. I'm going to 55,000. I'm going to 57, 5, 5 down, 7, 5. 55,000, 57, 5. I'm going to take 56,000. 56,000. I'm going to 56, 6 down, down in the morning. I'm going to 55, 6,000. Now 7. New bidder 56. Yes, you will. 56, 57,000. I'm going to 6 down, down, right over there, down 7,000. I'm going to 56 here, now 7 down, down in the morning. I'm going to 56 down, down in the 7 down. Yeah, Jimmy.
You don't find them like that on the other side.
That's exactly right, folks. It hasn't been used or abused. Folks, it's right off here at the Glen Welch Estate. Honest as the day is long. Low hour, nice size. 56, 57,000. 57,000. I'm going to 6 down, down in the 7. Started up again, Jimmy. I'm going to bid 56,000, 57,000. He's going to do it. I can tell by the look in his eyes. Hoyer, 56, 57. You betcha. I'm going to 6 down, 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 70. I'll take 56.5 to anybody. 56.5. 56.5. 56.5. 56,000. $500 5 in the deal. 56 here. $500 to get 6 here. $5 to get now $500. 56.5. 56 here. $500 to get $600. 56,500. 56.5. Ladies and gentlemen, the hammer's high. I'm going to sit down. Hoyer, does he want it? 56.5. Jimmy on the phone. 56.5. 56.5. 56 here. $500. 56.5 and I have 56.5. 56,500. $600 $500. $600 to get now $500 all done. 56.5, yes or yes. 56.5 tonight. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. All in, all done. 56,500. Sold it. 56,079. Leave it running. 56,079. Congratulations. Where'd you say you're from again? Fulton, Missouri. Folks, if you're looking for one of these tractors like this, you didn't get this one bought, go to machinerypete.com. He's got 10 of them for sale on there. They're hard to find, but go to machinerypete.com for 10 of them. All righty, congratulations.